So lots of you guys were actually saying that you like seeing what shoes I wear at the beginning of every single vlog. So I said, you know what? That is not the worst idea in the world. So from now on, I am going to show you what shoes I wear at the beginning of basically every single vlog. Today, we are rocking with the OG 2016 bread band Nike Air on the tongue Jordan 1s. Hey guys, what is up? Back with another video. I hope you guys are feeling good, feeling great. I am doing good. Got my Tommy hoodie on and I'm feeling a little bit sick, truth be told, which sucks. But besides that, I'm feeling good. Today's video is going to be brought to you guys by you guys. If you aren't following me on social media, you sadly missed out on this one, but make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter. Ask me a question next time. I want you guys to ask me some questions. You could be part of a video with your question. I might start doing this like every other Sunday or once a month or something like that. I love talking to you guys and having a dialogue with you guys and showing you some freaking cool sneakers as we're going to be doing today. First question I got was from my man Peter, and he said, Tom, do you want to get the white Prestos or do you want to get the black Prestos? Of course, he's referring to the off-white collection that's coming out. And I love the white ones. I really like white shoes. I have white shoes here. I have white shoes here. I have white shoes here. Okay, I can't actually find that many white shoes, but you get the point. I normally go for the white ones, but I don't know why. Just this specific model, this specific collaboration with Off-White, it's really the black ones that are drawing me to them. I still like the OGs way better with that sail or sort of cream off-white paper colored midsole. Those are so nice. My buddy Seth has those and I'm super jealous of them, and I would love to have those, but I'm not going to get those. So if I could get the black ones, I'd love to get the black ones, but hey, if I could get the white ones for retail, I wouldn't be complaining either. This is the problem with having so many sneakers. I've been looking for this pair of kicks for a long time because I was trying to sell them. I'm like, hey, you could actually fetch a decent amount of money for these. I'm trying to sell the more expensive ones first, just because it's more motivating to get rid of ones that I get $600 for versus ones that I get $60 for. And I convinced myself that I had sold them because I couldn't find them, but here they are. The green suede Gatorade 6s. These things are crazy nice. If you guys think I should start listing sneakers on my website, let me know. I have a link to my merch website in my description of every single video if you guys want to go buy some merch. Shameless plug, there you go. But should I put sneakers up there? Let me know. I love just going through these piles and piles of shoes. Some of these boxes I haven't even opened up, and I'm not even joking, like 3 years, just because I have so many shoes. Like right here, we have some Jordan 11 IEs. These came out last fall. Everyone hated on these. These are really nice though. Very happy I grabbed these. I've actually worn them a couple times. Still look pretty clean. Probably not going to bring these over to my condo. These are all just staying in the sneaker room for the time being. And then like here, just pulling out a random pair of kicks. We have the Free Flyknit 3.0s, the rainbow kicks. These were like a staple on weekly sneaker rotations back in the day. These were featured all the time. Going way throwback with these. These came out last winter, but obviously for the 20th anniversary of the Royal Foams. It's so cool to just like pull out random. I could do this for hours. I could just pull out new shoes and new shoes and new shoes, like these plaid Lunar Force ones right here. These things are crazy. I love these things so much, but at the same time, they're just super ugly. I should break these out for Christmas or like next time I go to Edinburgh or something. Next question comes from my man Ryan, which really goes in theme with all of these shoes here that we're looking at. He says, how much money have you made from the shoes that you've sold so far? And the answer to that, because I've actually been keeping track, I've made $13,720 from selling freaking shoes that I wasn't wearing. I've not sold a single pair of shoes that I was keeping in my rotation, and I made $13,720 from shoes that I haven't been wearing. And if I sell all of these for what I want to sell them for, because I already have them all priced out, I get like another 55 grand. Or like it's amazing. It's amazing. There's no point of having 300 pairs of sneakers. You can get like $65,000 instead. My boy Greg asks, what are some big projects or big videos you're doing for the rest of the year? Well, I'm going to New York and I have a couple awesome videos planned for there. going to China, have some awesome videos planned for there, and then possibly going to Japan and maybe back to a few different places around England and maybe Spain as well before the year is over. So those are the big plans that I have coming for the rest of the year. There's gonna be some awesome videos. Next question was, what is your favorite pair of shoes that you've ever bought? Or like, what was the best buying experience is I guess what he was trying to ask from this question. And for me, buying experience and like the memory behind a pair of sneakers is super, super important. That's what sort of adds value to a pair of kicks for me. Not how limited they are or not how expensive they are. I'll be honest, there's probably 100 shoes that I've bought that are more meaningful and I like more than the Off-White Jordan 1s, which are worth thousands of dollars. But I have cool memories behind them. And my favorite one came from a day in Los Angeles when I went to Mag Park for the first and only time of my life. Hopefully I'll get to go back there at some point soon. The Bread Jordan 4s. I bought these for $100, which was an amazing price. The video did really, really well, and more importantly, it was spent on a great day with some awesome friends. And I just remember I was super excited to buy these, and then we went out for dinner after I bought them, and I met someone from Winnipeg at this random diner in Los Angeles. So yeah, the Jordan 4 Bread is by far my favorite experience, my favorite memory of buying a pair of sneakers. Other ones that would have to be up there would be the Toro Bravo 4s, first pair of retro Jordans that I got, and it took so long to actually be able to buy them online. It took like 4 hours. Pain in the butt. Another one would be the Bread 1s that I'm actually rocking today because those took 11 hours of camping out. There's tons of other ones that I could come up with, but these are definitely my favorite. Next question is, why is Ben never in your videos anymore? Did you guys get in a fight or something? Ben, why are you never in my videos anymore? Did we get in a fight or something?
No.
Well, why aren't you in my videos anymore?
I don't know.
He doesn't know why he's not in my videos anymore. Fun fact, my internet was not working because I paid the wrong person's bill. I just got a bill in the mail from my internet service provider and assumed, hey, this is my bill. It's the correct amount that it should be. So I paid it, and then they shut off my internet, and I'm like, what the heck, why is my internet shut off? And they're like, well, you paid it for someone that's not even living here anymore. Weird. And last question, and by far the worst question ever that always gets asked every single question and answer, and I'll continue to address it until you people learn. Tom, how do I get money for sneakers? You get money for sneakers the same way you get money for crystal meth, the same way you get money to put into your hedge fund, the same way you get money to go play basketball or to go buy cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Get a job, get a paper route. Sneaker money doesn't exist. Money is money is money. Hopefully that helps you guys. I know it's gonna get asked again next time, but I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will be back with a New York vlog next time you see me, which is going to be super, 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 super exciting. I'm so excited to get back in New York. It has been too long. It's been almost 3 months, which is just a crying shame. And I'm very excited to get back there. Make sure to go give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter so you can be a part of the next one of these that we do. And I will see you soon with a brand new video straight from NYC.